When you already played a few Go matches, perhaps you realize that one more rule is needed. In this specific situation, black can capture white stone. Then white would be able to capture black stone back. Then black would be able to capture white stone again. It could go like this forever. So, when the first player captures, the second player is not allowed to capture back immediately. Instead, he can play now in any other spot on the board. Then the first player can connect himself, but he can also play in any other place. So, if black doesn't connect himself now and plays elsewhere, white will be allowed to capture black stone. Then black can't capture white stone immediately. He needs to play somewhere else first. And after black plays somewhere else, white can connect. But white can play in some other spots as well. And again, if white played elsewhere, black would be able to capture white back. This situation is called ko. By the way, it's good to notice that the ko situation can happen only with single stones being captured. If there are more stones to capture, the capturing will not last forever. Let's check some examples. In this situation, it's possible for black to capture 3 white stones, and then white can capture 1 black stone, and that's it. Similarly here, white can capture 2 black stones, then black can capture 2 white stones, and that's the end of capturing. This situation is not a ko.